Hi everyone, it's Don from Crux Seminatus, and this time I've got the Word Bearers, and it's a heresy scheme, and it's seriously easy. It's just one colour, a wash, some decals, and you're done. So I wanted to try and see if I could get a squad of 10 done as quickly as possible out to the tabletop. And I'm not making any bones about it. They're tabletop quality. That's what I wanted them for. So they're very nice minis to make. This is the first time I've actually broken out in a pack and gone for it. But you can see here that I'm putting on some grey primer because I just thought that the plastic was just a little bit too shiny to take the paint straight on. So I put some Vallejo grey primer on there. And this is the colour, the main colour, the only real colour, red gore. And basically I always do this just to make sure my airbrush is working. So you'll see that a lot. And the colour goes on really well. It looks very scarlet because of the grey. It makes it much more vibrant than if it was on black, but it looks almost Blood Angels, but I do enjoy it, and I like it. So I paint them all up like this, and they're going to become much darker when I put a wash on, of course, but just to let you see that's what the squad of 10 looks like when they're all done. Quite happy with it, obviously. A Baden Black to paint the pauldrons. These guys are beasts, I love the story that goes behind them. They're like my panto villains. Everyone loves to hate the Word Bearers, especially Erebus. But anyway, that's beside the point. So just some black on the pauldrons here, and then after that I'm going to come in with some bolt gun metal, or the army painter equivalent of it, and I'm going to go and just basically pick out some of the metal areas, which are the trims to the pauldron, some of the vents and stuff on the backpack, and the little sort of slotted things at the back of their legs. I'm not sure what you would call them, but so that's the trim on the vents on the back, the cables, and whatever that thing is down the back of their legs. I paint them all with that. And then this is gloss varnish, so I really want to use the decals, so I just put in a layer of gloss varnish first to give them something really easy to stick to. And this is an exercise in patience and taking your time over something. Red microsol is the only one to bother with, in my opinion, to be honest. The blue doesn't do anything for me, but the red one melts the many hours later. I had a full set of 20 decals on, and they actually look stunning when they're actually on there, so well worth doing. So yeah, the red stuff melts the decal to fit the bend in the pauldron. And this is just a Badap black wash going on. I added a tiny little bit of brown to it just to make sure it wasn't just pure black, but it's just taking your time and making sure that all the sort of lines have some wash in it, and it really makes them all stand out. So time to stick on a head, which I painted separately, big line of 10 heads, 10 helmets there, and that's pretty much us done. I put a cork base on and covered the lip of the base with Chardonnay granite. I really quite like them. They the beast of Space Marines for sure. I like this sort of heresy armor and the sort of retro looking weapons and stuff. I think it's pretty cool. Am I expecting to win anything with them? Maybe the occasional game, but certainly no painting competitions. But considering how quickly you can bash out this squad, you'd be able to do a full army in no time at all. So it was really an exercise for me just to see, well, look, what does tabletop really look like? You've got loads of channels out there that are full of amazing painters, absolutely amazing painters, and I take my hat off to every single one of them, like Miniature Maniac and loads of other people like that, Cujo painting and stuff like that, just brilliant artists. I just really wanted to bash these out as quickly as it was possible to do, to see what it would take to get a playable army, and it was totally worth the time. So thanks very much for sticking with me. If you'd like to leave me a comment, let me know what you think. That would be great. If you'd like to comment, subscribe, and share it with your pals, that would make the video all worthwhile. So thanks very much for everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.